The disease detective. 6 children were in the hospital. They were very sick, but the doctors didn't know what to do. They called Dr. Richard Beezer, an expert on strange illnesses. Finding a cause. First, Dr. Beezer needed to find the cause of the illness. He looked for germs in the children's bodies. In every child, Dr. Beezer found the same type of bacteria E. coli. He then looked at the bacteria's DNA. It showed him that this type of E. coli was dangerous. Dr. Beezer knew E. coli could move from animals to humans. Had the children touched animals that carried the bacteria? Beezer found other E. coli cases in the area where the children lived, but it wasn't enough. Beezer then made a list of what the 6 children had eaten. They had all eaten cheese, apple juice, and fish. He then made a list of what healthy children in the area had eaten. They had eaten the cheese and fish, but not the apple juice. Case closes. Beezer went to where the apple juice was made. He saw animals around the apple trees. He also saw the workers using dirty apples that had fallen on the ground. More importantly, he saw that the apples were not washed before the juice was made, and that the juice was not heated. Doing this thing would kill the bacteria. Beezer then knew it was the apple juice that made the children sick. Beezer's E. coli curse had a happy ending. The children got better, and what Beezer learned that they now help keep others safe.